So, like I always say, if the PlayStation is completely totaled, like kind of like this one, motherboard's dead, power supply is dead, all that's dead. We're talking about 275-ish in scrap value. But there's ways to make money, like I said. Power supply is $11 free shipping. About about $8 for the Wi-Fi board. You can get about $10 for the hard drive, $5 for the caddy. Like I said, this little load sensor board. That's another couple. Well, not more than a couple of dollars, but a few dollars, ranging between, I'd say, 5 and 8. And also on the ribbons from the Blu-ray drive, we have gold tips, which I started collecting. I still don't know what to do with them. The last bunch I gave, the guy never got back to me, so I kind of lost all of that. But it's not the end of the world. We're not talking about big dollars. So here's the ribbon from the Wi-Fi board. Got some gold there. Plenty of gold on the Blu-ray board. All these connectors. Try to get it. There you go. You can see the gold shining. IC chips, gold. This has gold. Some more IC monolithics. Some good value for you gold recovery guys. And some more gold recovery. I think I showed this in my old video. Oh yeah, forgot to mention this little disc here. Even this has value. I guess people lose them. Can't really break this, but you can certainly lose it if you do a repair or something. And I usually get about $4 free shipping for those. So now we have the laser. So the laser has a connector here. There you go. So that has gold, like you can see. There's some ribbon cables also. This here is aluminum. So if you want to go hardcore, go deep into the laser, you can get quite a bit of good stuff like that, aluminum and gold. And there's the diode right here. If you pop it up, this one has quite a bit of gold.